안녕하세요, Teacher Gritchel.
안녕하세요,
Good
Kuya Rex.
afternoon. So, Rika and Jane
Are at school.
are at school. So, they have mission dance. Mission dance, which the title is Opa. Okay. Sir Vicky sent the message to the Kakao Talk. And they have practice fee, 1,000 pesos each for Rika and uh, Jane. Okay, and that is from Ido Ujinim.
Ido Ojini, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다 for Rika and Jane.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Grace.
안녕하세요.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
So,
Rex.
Erika is in the school whole day,
Yes.
whole day class. So, you will receive the delivery for Erika. She have one cake. Ano sa iyang birthday, teacher?
Kuan, karon.
Karon yun, adlaw.
today.
Okay, and that is from Las Vegas name.
Las Vegas name, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다 for Erica.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Dali.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver puto cheese. 100 pieces of puto cheese for the study room. You will eat that after class at the evening time, no?
Yes.
Okay. So that is from Lee Songyupnim.
이성엽님, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다 for the photo cheese.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, 안녕하세요, Teacher Dali.
안녕하세요.
So here is the 1,000 pesos for the drinks of your students in study room at evening time.
Okay.
Okay. And that is from Las Vegas name.
Las Vegas 님, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다 for the drinks for the students.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Andrea.
안녕하세요.
Thank you. Why there's many food? Ha? Ang daghang pagkaon? Ha? Yung birthday? Happy birthday, and how old are you na? 11. So I'm here to deliver your birthday cake from Las Vegas name.
Las Vegas name, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, good evening. Uncle Isang salamat sa kwarta imong gihatag sa akong Miss Vegas name, thank you sa cake imong gihatag nako para sa akong kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. SG name, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for the puto cheese. Bye-bye.
Hasayo Malay.
안녕하세요.
So we are here to deliver your donation, which is from Esvinim. 3 boxes of puto cheese. Esvinim.
SG name, 감사합니다.
And also, you have 1 chocks to go, 2 choco pies, and 300 pesos for your allowance. That is from Kim Hanchul Nim.
Angel name, 감사합니다.
Okay, study hard, okay? Okay, kaon po ha. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone, these are my level 1 students. They are copying the story, the short story. Then after that, they will answer the questions. Ay nako, gumana mo ha. Magbasa ta, then after mo magbasa ka, mag-answer mo ana.
안녕하세요. Change of states and matter. Phrasing change of states and matter from liquid to solid. Melting change of states and matter from solid to liquid. Evaporation change of states and matter from liquid to gas. Condensation change of states and matter from gas to liquid. Deposition change of states and matter from gas to solid. Sublimation change of states and matter from solid to gas. 감사합니다. Bye bye.